case for the driver and the instruction book, the steel hangers, 2 steel hangers, and 2 rope hangers.
Okay, let's open the driver box. Dimming wires. It's UL IP67 driver with dimming. Its foldable design will use sensing chips and M90 waterproof connectors. Okay, now let's power on the light. First the DC
and the AC power code.
We add the infrared spectrum on the LED bus. Okay, now move to the tent.
Okay, thank you guys for watching our video today. For more information, please visit our website.